Por más que trate de olvidarte, aún se nota que me muero por ti. Yo no te saco de mi mente, me gustaría que estuvieras aquí.
Good morning, guys. So, I just woke up, I got dressed. My phone broke, my screen is legit, you can pop it out. So we're gonna try to see if the people can fix it. We are gonna do that, and then we're gonna do grocery shopping. So, as you can tell in the previous two clips of speed up, I did go get my phone fixed. The screen is fixed now. Then after that, we went to Little Walmart. My sister actually drove us, how sweet of her, and we did a lot of shopping. I forgot to vlog inside the grocery store, so I apologize. Then we went home, we unpacked, or my mom and sister unpacked. I helped my dad with my tires. If any of you guys know how it feels to fix your tire, get air in your tires, I had to do that, but then my car, there's a message pops up about my air in my tires, and it's usually because it's low or it's cold. It's one of those two options. And I just got home and it's 4:48 p.m. right now. I'm currently watching YouTube. Y'all gotta know you got home playlist. I'm so freaking happy. I don't know why I'm happy. And I will definitely come on here to end today's vlog. So see you later. Hey, so I just took my bath a couple minutes ago. Look at my dog over there, guys. Oh, wait, let me zoom in. Hold on. Look, he's so cute. Oh my god. Okay. Look, he's so pretty. Oh my god, I love him so much. Yes, I do. Okay. So, currently watching some YouTube. It's much later. I took my shower. Update. Time is 11 o'clock. Basically, it's 10:59. I just say it's 11 o'clock because I don't know why I say that, but I do. I actually did come on here to end the vlog as well. If you guys like today's vlogmas, this is the last vlogmas for a while until Saturday, so I hope you guys like it. It's not as exciting as I always hoped it to be, but I tried, guys. I tried. Like it, give it a thumbs up. Also, while you're down there, press that subscribe button because you get to be part of my squad and follow me into my YouTube journey on here. My journey on YouTube on here. If that makes sense. I don't know. I'm getting so tired. I'm so sorry. And press that notification bell because you will be notified whenever I post a new VLOGMAS or a main channel video. And I'll catch you guys Saturday for VLOGMAS Day 21.